Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 14.6 question number 1. Draw angle POQ of measure 75 degree and find its line of symmetry. Let us draw a triangle angle POQ, right? Let us take a ruler, right? Now we have taken one side. We take the 6 centimeter line and give an arrow here. Let us take this point as B. Let us take this point is B point. Suppose this point is B, this point is C. Now let us take a protractor. Let us take a protractor. Here we are finding the protractor, right? Now we'll put the value B here. Right? And find the angle of 70 degree, that is 10, that is 0, 20, 40, 60, 60 plus 10 is 70, 75, 60, here it is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 60, 70, 75. This is 75. I can count from here also. That is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 70, 70, 75. This is 75. This point is 75. Is 75. Here you see this point is 75 and count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. This is 75, right? 75. Therefore, we will draw this line with the help of scale. Now we will draw this line. With the help of scale, we can draw this line. You see, this is 75 degree, right? Now I'll draw a line here from here to here. Right? I replace the scale. Right? Now here we can give the arrow here, this arrow, and this here also give an arrow, right? At this point is A point, this is A point, this is B point, this is C point. Now we'll find its line of symmetry. To find the line of symmetry, you have to bisect this angle, that is angle ABC. Let us take compass. Now let us take the compass. Let us take the compass. Here is the compass, right? Now we will bisect this angle, right? How to bisect angle? Here you have to take one arc, put this pointer at point B, put the pointer at point B, and take an arc. Suppose this arc we have taken, right? That is 2 centimeter, and make an arc, right? Here we are making an arc, right? Now if we give the name here, again put the pointer here, make an arc, let us take the pointer here and make an arc, right? Now take the pointer at this point and this point, that is, we if we name them, the name of the points will be, the name of the points will be ABC. It is D and E, so this is D, at this point is E, right? Now again put the pointer here. If we put the pointer at point D and make an arc at point D, right, and make an arc, right? Again you have to take this pointer on point E and make another arc, right? Then we get a point here. You see, this point is F, this point is F point, this point is F. Now if we draw a line here with the help of scale, what you'll find, you see, with the help of scale, take the scale here and draw a line, right? Now if we draw a line here, you see, then we are drawing a line here and we are getting, draw a line here, right, and give an arrow here, give an arrow here, we are giving an arrow, right? A B C D E F, this is G, right? Now what you have done, you see, now we'll remove the compass and also remove the scale, Now you see what you are getting. You see that angle ABC, but we have to write the angle as POQ. Okay, then we will write as POQ, right? And it will be POQ. Let us rub this one. It is POQ. This is angle is POQ. Let us take this as P. Let this be P. This one is P. This one is O. And this one is Q. Here angle POQ, angle POQ is equal to 75 degree, is equal to 75 degree, right? And you have to find this line of symmetry. Line of symmetry means you have to draw the angle bisector. Here this angle will be this equal to angle equal to this angle, that is angle GOQ, angle GOQ is equal to angle POG, therefore then both the angles are equal, right? Therefore we say the line of symmetry is OG. We can say that OG is the line of symmetry. OG is the line of symmetry. OG is the line of symmetry OG is the line of symmetry which is the line of symmetry of angle POQ, right? Again we have taken POQ is equal to 75 degree and find its line of symmetry means we have to find the angle bisector. OG is the line of symmetry of angle POQ. We have found the angle bisector of angle POQ and OG is the angle bisector. Therefore, you can say that OG is the line of symmetry of angle POQ. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.